Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add first name in the subject line on Klaviyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Klaviyo, click the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, once you are on the Klaviyo platform, a subject line that includes the recipient's name can stand out in a crowded inbox, and of course it captures attention and it encourages the recipient to open the email to see what it's about, because using someone's first name creates a sense of familiarity and connection. Now, all I have to do is click on the campaigns if you haven't already. Right now, I have my already a draft here, and I'm gonna just push it, click it and edit from this instance. All right, let me do that. Now we will deal with the subject line and the preview text later, but of course, if you haven't done so, I need you to click on the edit email option here, and then once you are inside the campaign editor, okay, just choose the text block, for example this one, click on it. You see this option right here? It says personalization. I need you to click on this one. What will happen is we need to create a profile for the first name. All right. Click on that and click on insert. All right. What will happen is you need to copy this entire thing right here. I'm gonna copy this one, and I want you to save and exit after that, and go to the subject line. Now here on the subject line, I need you to paste what you have copied earlier, and then now once you have pasted, put a period, put in space, maybe and then you see this now go to the quotation here, all right, and put in something like, I don't know, maybe like subscriber, because we're dealing with YouTube. And after that, like, hey subscriber. And after that all you're gonna do is click on save, and you would be able to use, obviously, added the first name in the subject line here in Klaviyo. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.